On this week's Access on the Go, we're going to focus on a nonprofit, the Drug-Free Coalition of Hall County. To better understand what the Drug-Free Coalition of Hall County does, I got invited to their annual meeting and got to speak with a volunteer, a project coordinator, and Chairman Greg Brooks.
This evening is our monthly coalition meeting where everyone comes to the same table and we talk about the issues of the month, what are some of our concerns and how can we address those concerns. We also look back at committees that we have met throughout the month and the plans that they have in order to move our efforts forward.
The coalition has two goals: to establish and strengthen collaborating among Hall County's private nonprofit agencies and federal, state, and local governments to support efforts of our community coalition to prevent and reduce substance abuse among youth, and also to reduce substance abuse among youth and over time among adults by addressing the factors in our community that increase the risk of substance abuse and promoting the factors that minimize the risk of substance abuse. Greg Brooks says the main focus of the coalition is prevention and that this focus is on the kids in Hall County.
If we can reach them at a young age, and so we put a lot of energy there, and then we also work with adults and do prescription take-backs that we work with the DEA, and they come out to different pharmacies and we partner with different agencies like that to do take-backs so we can inform our senior citizens and our adults about the problems of prescription drug abuse and other drug use.
Project coordinator J.P. Banks said that the coalition is made up of volunteers in the community.
We do what are called environmental strategies, and that means that we're looking to change the environment. Much like 15, 20 years ago when they started thinking about getting people to quit smoking, they weren't going out and stopping you from smoking as an individual, they were trying to change the environment. So we're trying to change the environment through our work so that people will choose a drug-free lifestyle.
The vision statement is eliminate substance abuse today, dominate the future. The Drug-Free Coalition of Hall County was established in February of 2007 as a work group of the Hall County Commission for Children and Families. The coalition was originally developed through an organization that supported recovery efforts of individuals going through the drug court in Hall County. Currently, the coalition includes over 40 individuals representing 12 key sectors of the local community. Those are the youth, parents, businesses, media, schools, youth-serving organizations, law enforcement agencies, religious and fraternal organizations, civic and volunteer groups, healthcare professionals, state, local, and/or governmental agencies, and other organizations involved in reducing substance abuse. Greg also talked to me about what ways people can join in the coalition.
If you have a specific desire that you are more passionate about, we have several committees that meet every month, and they can jump on bandwagon one of those committees and be able to address a specific topic with that group of people, or they could come to our coalition meetings. Those are open to the general public. All we ask that you make a commitment to be on the coalition so that you can help reinforce our message in the community.
It truly is a coalition of interested adults and youth working to identify and utilize resources within Hall County to institute initiatives and effectively provide education, prevention, intervention, and treatment of substance abuse issues, resulting in a thriving drug-free community. Also at the meeting, the Data and Collection Assessment Committee presented the 2011 substance abuse data for Hall County and informed coalition volunteers about the average age of onset drug use, frequency of use, and a variety of other variables that will help the coalition combat drug use in Hall County. For a detailed copy of this informative assessment, visit faceitpeople.org or contact J.P. Banks at 770-534-1080. Thanks for watching this week's Access on the Go. I'm Katie Austin.